Okay, your first question was Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum
Walaikum
assalam.
salam.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum
Paper
Assalam.
was easy as you said, but time limit was there, but you have to work on it. And I'm sure that it was just a demo. I'm sure that while doing your midterm exam you'll cover this barrier as well. So itni tension लेने की जरूरत नहीं कि मैम टाइम कम था. You'll be getting 5 to 10 minutes more for sure in mid. उसमें कुछ वो टेंशन की बात नहीं है, वो आपको पूरा टाइम मिलेगा. Just stay relaxed. Okay, what was our first question? Our first question was examples of computer jargon. First was Ledger, second was Schemata, and third was real time. Now you are computer students, CS students. So what is the right option?
Real time.
Real time.
Real time. Real time. Okay. Then our second question was, beta, few things we need to discuss after discussing the paper. The things that are bit tricky, I'll be telling you by the end of the lecture so that you can work more on them. ठीक है? Okay. Hearing requires very active participation. True or false?
True.
True, ma'am.
True.
Hearing requires
False,
very
ma'am.
active participation.
False.
True.
And false.
False, false.
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 Those who are saying true, why they are saying true?
False.
False.
False. Because hearing is
Because?
something we heard unintentionally.
Yes, hearing is something we can hear accidentally or unintentionally, so no active participation should be there. Okay, a circular or a notice may be issued by only dash designated for the purpose. Peon, clerk, typist, officer.
Typist.
Officer.
Seriously?
Ma'am, officer.
Officer, ma'am.
Beta, the best way to do, MCQs questions, maybe you have already heard about it or you have read about this thing, is to eliminate options, right? If one option you know that PN he cannot issue a circulate, just delete that option. Then clerk, okay, clerk can't do that. So ek option if you'll eliminate, then you can easily find out your answer. That's the best thing to do when you are having MCQs questions. So officer is the person who can circulate any message. ना तो PN ये काम कर सकता है, ना typist कर सकता है, ना clerk, because they are not having that authority that they can tell people what to do and what they shouldn't. G. Next question is, jumping to conclusion at the beginning of the speech without waiting for the speaker to complete the communication he tends to pass is a quality of a good listener. True or false?
False.
False, ma'am.
False.
Why? It's a quality of a good listener.
No. Without
ma'am.
listening
Why?
the whole part, how can you jump to the conclusion in the start?
Sorry?
That comes in bad manners. Like without listening to the whole part, how can a person jump in the start to the conclusion? This comes in like manners. So it's not a good quality.
Okay, it's not a good quality. Okay. Next is the dash body of the presentation should be broken into short and clear units. Main, middle, upper, lower.
Main.
Main.
Okay. To make our communication effective, we should follow dash C's of communication, 4 C's, 7 C's, 6 C's,
Seven.
3 C's. 7 C's. Most effective ways of
7 Cs.
communication is verbal, non-verbal, written, all of above.
All
Non-verbal.
of
No.
all of above.
Ma'am,
All of,
no.
oh my goodness.
Non-verbal. Non-verbal.
Non-verbal is the most effective way.
Yes, ma'am.
The most
Yes, ma'am.
effective ways of communication
Verbal.
is no,
मैम नॉन वर्बल होगा ना,
no, no.
तो फिर रिटर्न हुआ.
जी हाँ, रिटर्न इज द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव. उसमें आप सोचते हो, उसमें आप कंपोज करने से पहले यू हैव अ प्लान इन योर माइंड. ना वर्बल में आपके प्लान होता है बहुत ज्यादा. ओरल कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी मच इनफॉर्मल. और ना ही आपके नॉन वर्बल में आप प्लान करते हो. बहुत सारी चीजें आप अनइंटेंशनली कर जाते हो. तो बेस्ट मोस्ट इफेक्टिव इज द रिटन वन. क्या हो गया मेरा बच्चा? अ सेंडर इज द पर्सन हु ट्रांसमिट्स अ मैसेज. ट्रू और फॉल्स?
ट्रू मैम.
True.
What about others?
True.
True, okay. A dash and dash listening is the best answer to satisfy even the most short-tempered customer. passive and impatient, thank listening, patient active listening, active and thank listening. कौन सा?
Patient, active listening.
Patient and active.
And active listening.
Patient
Active and
Patient
patient.
and active.
Patient and active.
Okay. There are dash basic facial expressions 6, 8, 9, 4.
Six.
Ma'am, 6.
What are those?
6, 6, 6.
6, ma'am.
Happiness,
कौन
sad,
कौन से?
anger. Happiness, sad, anger,
You are
surprise.
asking the name.
Okay, surprise, happiness, sad, disgust, or
Angry.
Fear,
or
anger, sadness, surprise,
yes.
happiness.
Okay. In order to ensure that an international colleague understand what you are saying, it is important to communicate in their native language. Recommend that they take English classes, take time to clarify your meaning and check for comprehension, all of the above. Which one is the correct answer?
Take time.
Clarify meaning and
Take time to.
clarify and ask for comprehension.
And check for the comprehension. Yes, that's
yes,
the
that
best way because
Yes, ma'am.
Take time.
goes without saying it's not necessary that when you are talking to an international colleague you should know how to speak their native language, or you cannot recommend somebody for just sending a short message that you should take English language classes. Then I'll convey my message to you. So rather suggesting them different ways, you should try to make the things more clear and comprehensive. Okay. While delivering an oral presentation to the head of department, a person should use what kind of style? Casual, informal, formal, all of above.
Formal.
Formal.
Why formal? Why not informal?
फॉर्मल कैसे हो सकता है आप डिपार्टमेंट के हेड के सामने? फॉर्मल
Yes, you can't be informal in front
It's
of
because it's
head
a
of.
professional meeting.
Yes, it's a professional setting, so you have to keep these things in your mind while giving a presentation. That who is sitting while we were studying about formal presentation, if you remember, we were considering our audience, whether they can understand jargons, difficult language. While oral presentations, you need to keep in your mind all the 7 C's of communication. Okay, next question is the dash is the final step of the process that ensures the receiver has received the message. Receiver, feedback, sender, all of above. Yes.
Feedback.
Feedback is the final step, right? And without feedback, you cannot understand whether
Yes.
the message is
Received or the person understood or no.
understood or not. The dash is the person for whom the message is intended or targeted. Receiver, sender, feedback, all of the above.
receiver.
Receiver.
Okay, receiver is the person. Do you agree? What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which one is not
Yes, ma'am.
an example of verbal communication? Email, public speaking, facial expression, all of the above.
क्या मैम दोबारा?
Which
Facial
one
expression.
is not an example of verbal communication?
Facial
Facial
expression.
Facial
What
expression.
about email? Email is a verbal communication.
Email, ma'am.
Even is a
I don't. I clicked the email.
Ji, Amna, you were asking something. Beta, ask.
I did the option email because I think that's
Mera bacha, email is verbal communication because you are writing words in it, right? Written communication is included in verbal communication. Oral communication, when you are uttering words, that is included in verbal communication. Public speaking mein words are included, so that is again verbal communication. Only facial expression is the option where you are not using verbal communication. You are just expressing yourself without words. So email, maybe you are using words, so that would be verbal expression, not non-verbal communication. Amna, clear?
yes, ma'am.
Getting my point? जहाँ पे आप words use कर रहे हो, whether in a form of, whether in written form or in oral form, वो goes without saying it would be a verbal communication. And I already knew that most of the children, they'll get confused when I'll talk about this verbal communication thing. Okay, next is, I don't know why I can't open it. Just a second. Okay. Time is an example of non-verbal communication. Is it true or false?
True. True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
True.
How?
Ma'am, because time doesn't speak. Just you look at,
Okay, time doesn't speak. Okay. Yes, Suhaib.
just this is ma'am. Okay.
So how you can communicate with keeping in mind time? I need an example. For instance, if I'll give you an example and then I have to tell you that how that person, how do you know that this person is punctual or serious about his work? Is
Time
there anyone? Time
Time
management.
management
Okay.
करते हैं.
Next question is letter, email, and telephone are examples of dash channel, feedback, message encoding.
Channel.
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 Okay. Great.
Channel.
Okay.
I'm
Dash
just got
is
the
the
question
aggressive.
I was talking about.
This okay. I'll see what I can do. I'll check the settings again. So next question is dash is an aggressive behavior and will most likely bring a negative response from the speaker. Interrupting, yawning, slapping, dancing.
Interrupting.
Interrupting, ma'am.
And who will be having negative impact? Your speaker. So interrupting is a bad habit or a aggressive behavior. Okay. Empathetic listening is to understand benefit, moods, and emotions. True or false?
True.
True.
True. Okay.
True.
Sarcastic feedback is the best feedback by the boss. True or false?
False.
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 False, ma'am.
Listening is twice harder than reading, speaking, all of the above.
Speaking.
Speaking.
Listening is twice harder than speaking. Okay. While
Speaking,
listening
ma'am.
to speaker, you can involve yourself in multitasking.
True.
True or false?
True.
Huh?
True.
False.
Yeah, while listening to a speaker, you can involve yourself in multitasks.
False, ma'am.
Or false? Kurera, why you said it's true?
Ma'am, when you're listening something, you can do more stuff, right? You can even do more tasks.
Beta, then it wouldn't be an active listening. We're talking about active listening, ना? Listening की हमने कुछ rules और regulations पढ़े थे जिसमें हमें ये बताया गया था कि we have to leave everything and we need to listen. Otherwise, if you're doing multitasking, then most of the time hearing would be going on and listening, it would wave off, right? So it's important that you have to that this here you need to say that false. While listening a speaker, you can involve yourself. No, you shouldn't. You need to focus. G. Which of these factors is not required for communication growth? Growth in size of organizations, negative atmosphere, globalization, public relations.
Negative atmosphere.
Yes, negative atmosphere goes without saying. It's not only related to an organization. If we'll talk about your classroom, so negative atmosphere, negative feedback, all the negative things, there would be barriers in the process of communication. Okay, for effective communication, which of these commandments should one not follow? Okay, objective of communication, inadequate medium, clarity, adequate medium.
Inadequate medium.
Why?
Inadequate medium.
Why?
Inadequate medium.
Give me one good reason.
मैम मतलब कि अगर
आपके पास अच्छा मीडियम होगा बात करने के लिए तो आप कम्युनिकेट करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता.
Okay,
The more the
good, nice.
communication is
Okay,
good,
the
the
whole
more the
concept of
communication.
achieve. Sorry, जी क्या कह रहे हो आप?
Ma'am, I'm telling that the more the medium is good, the more the communication will be good.
Yes, very good. So it's very important while communicating. You need to keep. You have to choose proper medium as well as channel so that effectiveness of your communication it stays there. Okay. G. Next is the whole concept of achieving success begins with how you dash behave, think, work.
think. मैम think.
The whole
All of the
concept
above.
of achieving success begins with how you
मैम think.
behave, how you
Ma'am,
think,
all of the
how you
above.
work, all of the
Ma'am,
above. What about others?
all of
All of the above, ma'am.
All of the
मैम
above. I'm
all of the
glad.
above.
Yes, beta.
मैम बिगिंस मतलब कि पहले हम सोचते ही हैं ना और पहले वो करते नहीं.
Beta, the whole concept of achieving success begins with how you behave, think, work. Beta, these all three things are interlinked. ये तीनों चीजें होंगी तो success achieve होगी during communication. It's not necessary if you'll behave good, but you're not working on it. If you can't think properly, then how you'll behave as per whatever you have thought about that particular message. So all these three things are included. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is dash generally refers to the way we hold ourselves when we stand, sit, or walk. Gestures, posture, all of the above.
Posture.
Posture.
And gestures are known as what are gestures? Think.
मैम वो जो
Through hand.
Communication with the help of your Amna, you were saying something.
हैंड यानी कि
Hand movement. Yes, that is known as gestures. Which part of the body is considered to be the windows of the soul? Brain, heart, eyes, ears.
Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes.
Brain.
Eyes.
Eyes, ma'am.
Okay, eyes. I'm glad. Which is an active process of receiving oral stimulus.
Listening.
Listening, thinking, talking, silence. Sorry, I forgot to talk about. Sorry, I forgot to tell you about options.
Talking.
Shall I read the question again? Huh?
Ma'am, silence.
Okay, I'm going to read the question again, which is an active process of receiving oral stimulus, listening, thinking, talking, silence.
Silence.
What's going on?
Silence.
No.
मैम listening होगा ना.
Yes, listening.
But silence भी तो होनी चाहिए ना.
So,
If there would be silence,
भैया सुनोगे
then
तो
we can.
हो जाएगी.
नहीं, if the crowd takes silence, is silence. The
yeah,
speaker.
but here we are talking about oral stimulus, so it's related to we're talking about speaking skills. So it's speaking always comes with listening. So it's related to listening rather silence. To some extent, that's important, right? But they particularly mention about speaking in the statement. That's why we're talking about listening.
Okay.
Okay, the next thing is in which thing does a speaker do most of the sending and a number of listeners do most of the receiving? Written tests, oral presentations, interview, group discussions.
और
Oral
presentation.
presentation.
Oral presentations, okay. An exchange of information within an organization is called internal communication, external communication, horizontal communication, vertical communication.
External communication.
Yes.
मैम
Information
इंटरनल
within the organization, it's internal.
internal
When
होगी ना
it's outside the organization, then it would be external.
External.
Okay, dash is one of the 7 C's of communication, is not one of the 7 C's of communication.
Character.
First one is conciseness. Sorry?
Character, I said.
Yes, corrected. First one is conciseness, clarity, and character and correctness. ठीक है. Good. Then next is moving your head, face, and eyes away from another person is often interrupted as a lack of dash. Self-respect, self-confidence, self-control, correctness.
Correctness.
Hmm?
Correctness.
Self-control.
क्या हो गया है? I'm gonna read the statement again. अब दो तो already
Self-control.
eliminate हो चुके हैं. Wait a sec, I'm gonna read the statement again. Moving your head, face, eyes away from another person is often interrupted as lack of self-respect, self-control, self-confidence. What?
self confidence
What?
self confidence
Self-confidence. Okay. What about, yes, self-confidence? When you're lacking self-confidence, goes without saying, you cannot, when you're not confident enough, then you'll be moving your head, eyes away from the speaker. Oh, next question is, the purpose of any communication is dash, to initiate some action, express needs, to inform, all of
I'm all of
the above.
all
All of the above? Why मेरा बच्चा?
हम सब होते हैं
Sub, okay. Purpose of communication could be to initiate some action, expressing needs, or to inform. So all of above is the right option. In oral communication, the speaker can observe the listener's dash to what is being related. Rejection, reaction, response, reset. Yes.
Reaction.
reaction
What about others? Only 2-3 students they are listening, and the other students they are gone. As usual. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Reaction. Why not response?
हमारा रिएक्शन रिस्पांस तो बाद में देती है रिएक्शन पहले होता है जैसे अगर
Okay. Reaction पहले होते then. Okay.
पहले
And वैसे भी in oral communication, speaker can easily see listener's reaction, whether he is interested or not. And after looking at the reaction, feedback comes later, right? In oral presentation outside your organization, you must first give the audience a dash of your organization. Background, front view, flashback, none of these.
Background में.
Background.
Background. Which of these is not a type of listening? Appreciative listening, superficial listening, focused listening, musical listening.
Musical listening. ma'am.
Superficial.
Sorry?
musical listening
Which of these is not a type of listening? Appreciative, superficial, focused, musical.
musical में
Musical listening, because it's not a type of listening, it's just a way
hearing है
option. Which of these must be avoided for effective communication? Sharing of ideas, listening, ambiguity, politeness.
Ambiguity. Ambiguity.
Okay, which are ठीक है, things should be clear. What is the idealized function of language? To express identity, to communicate meanings, to make jokes? None of these.
To communicate meanings.
meanings to communicate
To
To communicate meanings.
to communicate meanings.
yeah.
When you are having conversation with a friend or a family member, what type of space you are likely in? Social,
Personal.
public,
Personal.
intimate?
Personal. Personal.
Okay, personal space. Okay. 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 What about others? All are gone
Yes, ma'am.
other than Zoeb and Asad. Okay, let's discuss short question. Everyone, I need your response. If you'll discuss short questions, whatever short question you're having in your paper, in your mock exam, most likely I'll be giving you the same pattern for your midterm, so that it would be easier for you to, to answer that question. First one was, following is the statement of bad feedback. Change this statement into positive feedback. Now I'm going to start the statement. The statement is, this is not the first time I got a complaint about your rude and complaining attitude. I heard that you always pass sarcastic comments on your co-workers. Stacy mentioned something you said earlier that bothered her. You said something very offensive to her. You should address small issues wisely instead of getting mad. Control your tantrums and change your behavior, otherwise, you can't survive in this organization. Now, a lot of sarcastic words, a lot of bad words, bad feedback is there. So, how you can change this feedback into a positive and effective feedback? Are you listening, students?
लाइक
Yes, ma'am.
जो इस बैड वर्ड यूज किए उसकी पॉजिटिव वर्ड यूज करें और पॉजिटिव यूज करें और मना करके अभी से ऐसा को
Sorry? आवाज कट रही है. Zuhaib, somebody would answer me, please.
Ma'am, it would be like that. I know that you are. Uh, I know that you are a good employee of my organization, and I know your behavior because I've been working here for years in this organization. And but this today your attitude disappointed me. You should behave with other employees in good way because this organization is like a family. We are like a family, so you should treat like them your family. So be careful next
Yes,
time.
you need to eliminate. Yes, you need to eliminate all the negative words, and you have to mold your sentences into positive words. And but when we were doing effective feedback in the class, I told you that you can't be nice all the time. If you'll remember, you can't be nice or effective feedback. What you can do,
मैम उसे टोंट भी करना है और
what
उसे क्या
you can
कहते हैं
do. Taunt, it wouldn't be a right term for this thing, Asad. मेरा बच्चा tone उसको taunt नहीं करना proper.
It
Yes,
also
you can just give him in a very polite manner. Just हमने consideration पढ़ा, in a very polite manner. You can just warn him that okay, you have to. If the person is doing the same thing again and again, right, then only. But if not, then effective feedback is mixture of positive and negative. To some extent, you have to tell him that okay, these things are there. But in an organization, while working in an organization, it's not possible that you can always stay sweet tooth. You have to show little firm behavior, so that your employees, they'll understand that okay, these are the limits, and we have to stay in these limits, and we have to do as per the requirement, right? So Effective feedback is mixture of good and little bit of firm behavior, not harsh or aggressive behavior, where you can convey your message in a nice way without making things you know uh,
Look bad.
ill mannered or disrespectful. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Following is an incomplete message. Change this message into a complete message, keeping in mind the principles of completeness. Hi Hamza, I saw the projects you did for the agency, and I'm impressed with your work. My business is looking to work on a strategy, and your skills would be a great help. Let's meet tomorrow if you are interested in working together. Thanks, Maksud. Now, we talked about completeness and we said that completeness
Yes, ma'am.
means we need to
Ma'am,
keep
इसमें
in
हमने
mind 5 W's. Yes, beta.
मैम इसमें हमने टाइम बताना है कि कब हम मिलेंगे और
Okay. Beta, completeness में main चीज है, you need to keep in mind 5 W's and 1 H, and this message is lacking a lot of information. Let's discuss from the first line. Hi Hamza, I saw the projects you did for the agency. Now 2 things are missing in this sentence. What are those 2 things? I saw the projects you did for the agency.
When and where you saw the project?
Which project? Which agency?
Yes.
No name of the agency is mentioned. No name of the projects is mentioned. अगर projects लिखा है तो he should mention only one name of 1 or 2 projects that you did these 2 projects with this agency or this organization. So the first sentence is incomplete. If you'll send this message to me, I'll be thinking which projects. Maybe I have done 10 projects, and which agency? Maybe I'm working with more than 2 or 3 agencies or organizations. So if he'll mention the name, the person who's writing the message, he'll mention the name, the things will get more easier. And I'm impressed with your work. My business is looking to work on a strategy. Now, which business and what strategy? Everyone, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer these questions. I'm discussing so that I can help you all. And you people are least interested. It seems nobody is listening. Other than Suhaib, is there anyone who's listening so that you people
Yes,
can
ma'am.
answer me? Okay. Gee, my business is looking to work on a strategy, and your skills would be a great help. What is, missing in this sentence? Quickly tell me.
And what type of business and
And what type of strategy?
strategy you want to work? And
Okay. Let's meet tomorrow. Now, do you think that this sentence is complete? Let's meet tomorrow.
yes, ma'am.
It's complete?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's not complete.
Then how you'll bring completeness in this? If I'll say, okay, kids, will meet tomorrow. Well, this message is complete or incomplete?
Incomplete.
Incomplete, ma'am.
Because there is no
Incomplete. So let's meet tomorrow, May. What you need to tell?
Ma'am, there should be a time or
there should
and a
be
Should
place.
be, ma'am, time or place.
Place and time is missing. Tomorrow तुमने बता दिया ना कल. So if it's needed, then you can write date again. But if it's not needed, then you don't need to write it again and again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
these things are important. So any question you want to ask about your paper, today's paper, then we'll discuss things that are tricky. You need to read them, attentively, so that you can get good marks in your midterm. Those who left the meeting, अब ये उनके लिए problem होगा, जो meeting में है उनके लिए it would be beneficial. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Paper is done. Any question you want to ask?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, let's revise few things. before finishing this meeting. First thing is, difference between encoding and decoding is very important. You have to study it properly, because most of the people, they get confused what is encoding and what is decoding. You should know, okay, what role encoding is done by listener, or sorry, speaker, or sender or receiver, or decoding is done by sender or receiver. So it's important, keep an eye on it. Difference between medium and channel, right? I could give you a short question, as I have given you a short question in your what we can say, in your quiz, that I gave you a statement and I asked you that what is the medium for delivering, what medium you would be using for delivering this message, and what channel you will be using. So you should know the difference between medium and channel, and what type of channels are there. It's written in your course pack, and what type of medium is there, right? Then non-verbal communication, three things we discussed thoroughly, so you should know about all those three things. Then
Okay,
active
ma'am.
listening. Active listening may modes of listening. We discussed superficial listening. Then we discussed comprehensive listening, appreciative listening. So you should know the difference between them, and how, what are the barriers while listening, or what is the reason behind presentation skills, how you can plan your presentation. Then they have given you steps you need to follow in while composing your presentation. That main body, it should cause and effect should be there, or problem solving attitude should be there. You need to add analogies in the, and then statistics, chart bars, so that pie chart, so that the listener, he would understand everything in a proper way. Then they gave us examples of smooth flow, जिसमें bridge था, number item था, trigger था. You should know about these terms, and you have to give it a proper reading again. Okay, now anything you want to ask about syllabus, anything you want me, or anything you want to revise, discuss again, anything related to 7 C's, anything that is still bugging you, you can ask me right now that, ma'am, please, because this is a revision session, ma'am, please repeat this so that you'll have a better understanding.
No, ma'am.
Nothing is unclear.
Yes.
Mahad, Amna, Mohammad Afzal, Zuhaib, everything is clear. You don't want to ask anything.
Yes, ma'am. Clear है.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
कुछ
Thank
भी
you.
ऐसा जो आप चाहते हो कि मैं आपको एक दफा पढ़ा दूं या समझा दूं. Clarity, conciseness, completeness, and consideration. It's clear?
Ma'am, tell something about clarity.
Beta, clarity, what is still bugging you about clarity? Just ask me. पूछो, बता देती हूँ.
Clarity का
Clarity थोड़ा सा रिवाइज
समझा
करा
दो.
दूं. अच्छा, मैं करा
समझा
देती
दो.
हूँ.
Yes, ma'am, थोड़ा सा समझा दो.
Okay. Clarity, एक minute, let me just open the slides so that. Okay, clarity, they said that while composing a message, you have to bring clarity, and how you can bring clarity by avoiding few things. They gave us few different rules. Rule number 1 was use familiar words. That's the major thing. If I'll use difficult vocabulary with you all, so goes without saying that it would be very difficult for you all to to understand whatever I have written. So use short, easy, and familiar words. Familiar words are those words that are commonly used, so that the layman, the person who will be reading your message, he can understand whatever you are saying. Then include examples, illustrations, that they I told you that if you want to bring clarity in your message, so what you can do, you can add pictures. Whenever we buy some electronic, there is a guidebook with that particular electronic and all the pictures
Yes,
are
ma'am.
made on that guidebook. That helps us to understand that okay, in first step is this, second step. With the help of those pictures, they basically makes the things more clear. So if possible, if you can add any picture with your message, then you should add so that you can bring clarity into it. Avoid needless jargons. We were talking about, as I gave you one jargon related to computer studies, so you came to know okay, this is the jargon related to our field, and you don't know. I hope that most of the student, I'm sure that most of the students, they were unaware with other two jargons. So it's very important that if you're using jargon, you should use with those people that who would be understanding those jargons. But if you're talking to a layman, you shouldn't use jargons as just to show them that you know a lot of things. But because if you'll tell jargons, or if you'll use jargons while composing a message, the listener or the reader, he wouldn't understand, because for him that's totally a new term. Then old phases, I gave you example that leaving no stone unturned is an old phase, and it has used in the past so many times, and now it has lose its effectiveness. So use those phases or words that are familiar and famous, rather than using old words and phrases. Avoid using words that have more than one meaning. Yes, if you'll use more than one words that are having more than one meanings, goes without saying, it will create problem for the reader, and he wouldn't understand your message. Then they said three things you need to keep in your mind while composing a message, while bringing clarity: that there should be unity of thought. First thought should be united to the other thought. That if you're talking about one thing, you need to talk about that particular thing. You can't use one sentence related to one point and then the other sentence related to something really different. That has no connection with the first thought. Then coherence, sequence of the words, that one sentence sequence. First thing, for instance, we were talking about formal presentation, that in the formal presentation you can't start your presentation without giving your introduction. So first you have to give your introduction, then introduction of the topic, then you can go to main body. So coherence is very important, that sequence, you should follow a proper sequence. And emphasis is basically that you have to you have to talk about that particular point. You have to emphasize on one topic, one point, one idea, whatever you are discussing, rather putting stress on the other ideas, right? So this is an example of clarity. So you have to bring clarity, means you have to use easy familiar words, but at the same time clarity, it does not discourage this thing that you shouldn't use advanced vocabulary. You should use advanced vocabulary, but with those who can clearly understand them. But if a layman is there and you are communicating with them, so you should use familiar words.
Yes,
Anything
ma'am.
else
It's
you want to
clear.
ask?
Thank you, ma'am. It's clear.
Claire, what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so
Clear.
I hope that all the issues you people were having during exam today, you won't be having them again in your midterm. So just relax, and I hope that you will be able to finish your midterm exam on time. I'll see you, inshallah. I'll meet you through Google Meet, inshallah, soon. If you have any query, you can text me in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay, ma'am.
you.
Okay, take care, everyone.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.